Jai Shri Gurudev. Hello students. In the last class that we are discussing on the topic on the interview by the Alifano to the Louis Borges, that is, I believe that the books will not disappear. In the last class that we had discussed on the three questions that were asked by Alifano to the Borges. What were those three questions? The first question was on the what was his literary reading, and second question on Donna Leonor, who was the mother of the Borges, and the third question is that what is the blindness to you? These three questions had been discussed in the last class, and in this class that we are going to tell you about on the topic that Alifano asked on the topic of Odyssey. Odyssey is an epic, a Greek epic written by whom? Written by Homer. In from the topic he picked one line from there, that is, the god wrought and spun the sky of ruin for men, that there might be a song for those yet to be born. These are the lines from Homer's Odyssey. So, what is your opinion on these lines? This question is asked by Alifano to the Borges, that what does it mean means the god has wrought in the sense of that the god has prepared the skein of ruin. Skein of means the web in the life of the web, that there should be a matter. Here we came to know that we had discussed on children poem, there the archer had prepared, the archer had a mark for the newborn. Here the songs for yet to be born. Yet to be born means the children or the people who has yet to born. So here that's what the Alifano is asking for Borges, that what is your opinion about these lines that he asked. For that sake he said, what was your opinion? He said that the god has already prepared something what he or she has to be done in the future, or has to be do in the future. So that's what he is supposed to say here. And as for his continues that we have to transmute our life. What is the meaning of transmute? We have to transfer our life, means as for all now, we all know that Borges is a blind man. In the last class that we had discussed on the raw materials or the resources. What are the raw materials? Humiliations, misfortunes and the embarrassments. These were all the raw materials. What we have to came out of all those things and make our life comfortable. We have to make our life comfortable. So here we have to transmute our life by accepting the loopholes of our loopholes of our life. We have something, we don't have anything in our something in our life which we want to make that we should have in our life, means we have to get over from those things and we should go for an alternative thing which is parallel to those things what we are not having. That's what he is supposed to say here. So from the lines of Odyssey he is supposed to say that the god wrought, the god has already done or prepared the web in the sense a life web is ಜೀವನದ ಪಂಜರದಲ್ಲಿ how to live. A person who has to yet to be born, he has to go for that web and he has to live in that web, in that cycle or the web of the life he has to live. So how he or she has to live, what has to be given to that or what has not to be given to those people, that's all made by the god. So here if anything happens in our life, it's only for the reason, it has one particular reason. That's what he is supposed to say here. So here we have to transmute our life. From the Goth ls means nahe word for, which means ls nahe word for, which means what we having in front of us we are for, which means all that near we feels that is far, which means just assume that the sunset is happening in front of us, just a 50 feet difference from where we are standing. We feel that we can touch that sunset, but if we go to near to that sunset, which means it goes on far. So if we try to acquire, accumulate or grasp something in our life, instead of that, if we have an intention to get over that which something in our life, means just we have to wait. That's what he is saying there. By giving the example of the blindness, means as we all know, Bharas is not blind from his birth. Instead of that, from infectious diseases he had become a blind in the future. So he has to accept the reality, because his vision, his vision is a dream for him right now, is not at all a thing which he has right now. So he has to accept the reality, that pretending that he is not a blind man. So that's why he is giving. So if sunset is happening in front of us, means we can't go and touch that. It is a thing which is factly happening in front of us, but we can't go touch the sunset. That's what the vision is, a dream for me. It is it is a thing, the vision is the thing which is gone far away from me. So I have to accept the reality, that I am a blind right now, but for that sake I have to make my life as a possible things. That's why he said, I will buy books. Though I am a blind man, I can't read by myself. Though instead of that, to pretend that I am not at all blind, it is not my mistake. So that's why I am buying the books now. So by buying new books and making the library of him, enlarging the library square centimeter, by making bigger and bigger library of his own, by buying the books. That's what he is saying this to here. So by asking this, by what Aleiphanou asked the thing on by from Odyssey, that what should one supposed to do in a life of their own by living the web of life, which means he gives the transformation of that. We have to make all that humiliations, misfortunes. Misfortunes is the thing which will not go for the fortunate things. The fortunate things come as far as the God is pretend us, it should be given to those people. That's what he is supposed to say here. This was the question asked by Aleiphanou to the Boris. And the next question asked, what he asked here means, let's speak on the theme of the books. As we all know that every book has its own theme. For writing a book, which means if the author or a writer starts to write one of the book, which means there is something reason or something on something theme of the topic. It should be a ancient, historical, modern, love story, or whatever the author will write on the theme. It should, the one of book has the book. So for that sake, what the Borges has said means, once I had dreamt about that a library of Alexandria, a library means one of the library in the Alexandria, was set on a fire. That he had a dreamt once in a while, said he had a dream of that. That's what a bad dream, which is not a strange dream. It was a strange dream, not only a dream, which is a strange dream. What is that strange dream means? Just it is not any particular. I am not familiar with the Library of Alexandria. I never went to there. So why had that dream come in me? Why I had dreamt of that? That Library of Alexandria was set on the fire. Is there any meaning that I have dreamt about that? So that's sake, what Boris is asking Aleiphanou. So for that sake, Aleiphanou had said that maybe some particular reason behind that for dreaming of that. Means strange dream, sometimes it has a meaning, sometimes it doesn't have a meaning. That's what he is supposed to say here. Maybe because you have dreamt like that, which means there should be a particular reason and some reason behind that dream. Maybe a reason which is that you should write a history of the book. Book means if something book has written by some author or a writer, you should write a history on some particular book. That may be a reason that you had dream of that. That has to be a answer given by the Aleiphanou to the Borges. So that was surprised Borges, that now I am a blind person, that I am not going to even can't able to read the books what I have brought. But since you are telling me to write a history of the books, here when he interviewed Borges, Aleiphanou who interviewed Borges, is in the age of 83 years. What was the age of the Boris is 83 years. So for only sake of that dream what I had dreamt, which means it's not only a thing which I should write history of books, maybe a reason, we will try in some other reason. So after that, continuing that, one of the Bernard Shaw saying that every book what being of read has been written by the spirit of a book. Means spirit of book means if one person will write a book means there is a particular reason, as I have said. With any of nothing a reason, no one could write a book. So that's that spirit. Spirit means that enthusiastic person who writes a book will have some reason behind that. The total agenda of writing a book is completely based on the reader, how the reader will take that book. If I have write some particular book means I must think how the reader will get to know that about that, how the reader, because the one book has to be successful, which means it totally based on the readers. So just assume that an ancient book, if something the Mahabharata will be playing right now, that ancient book is it is a script written by some people. It should be on a script, in the script way. It has to become on your vision, means they are making a visualizing things, making by doing a serial. That's what he is supposed to say. How the people will not, in this generation, what the people will do, they will not go for any particular book. Instead of reading a book, most of the people will like to watch a movie or a film. So we have to have a thing which before thinking that writing a book. So he is saying that what he is saying here means if someone starts to writing a book means he had a something intention in his mind while he starts to writing, but while writing his intention is go beyond his imagination, means he starts to write a thing which it should be a stick on to this much. While he was writing, goes on writing a book, that matter thing will be goes on elaborating, or he certain adapt the things which he had influenced or get to know about from his surroundings. He is supposed to say here that thing. So that book thing will be accept or reject by the readers. We should get to know about that, how the people will receive those books. So we should know about how it's totally the book has to be successful or should be a flop. It's totally based on the readers, whether they accept or they reject is totally based on the readers. He is supposed to say here. So in author's opinion is that one book has to be a meaning, which means it has to be it should be remain as a sacred, mortal, magical and brings happiness. Just assume that if people read a book means if you goes on reading on 4-5 pages, it goes on boring means it shouldn't happen. So it has to bring happiness first of all. While reading a book, we should give our readers to get a happiness feeling, joy feeling should be given by the author to the readers, and should be remains as a sacred in the sense of not having any awkward or any bad languages. It should be remain in the people's mind by saying what they had read to the other people. That's what he said here. And the mortal in the sense it should not never die. Once that book has read by some reader, which means should be live in the mind or the heart of the people is for as a long time, and should be a magical means that one book has read by some reader, which means it should be change their life in a positive way. If something, that's only a book. By reading the books, not only the book will give some knowledge, instead of that the book has a magical thing, which means that has the capacity to change one's life. That's what he is supposed to say here. This is the only things which he is supposed to say, who? The Borges, which means the Eliphano who goes on asking the questions to the Borges, which means how that confidence, this is all the confidence what he had, what the Boris had in his life, because though he was a blind man, he came to transmute the things. He should accept the fact by making alternative of his life, by accepting all the raw materials, all the humiliation, misfortunes what he had faced in his life. By, as we all know, Donna Leonard, who is the mother of Boris, who read all the things for Boris, and after that he read himself by making some other arrangements of making what the one blind man should have. So this are all what vision is my goes on my beyond imagination. I should accept the things by buying book, means I should pretend myself as what I am not a blind person. So after this he is supposed to talk on the theme of the books by saying a dream and the value of the books, how the people will accept the book what has the written by the reader. These are the question that we had discussed this day. In the next class, what the question by Ali Fano to the Boris, that we will discuss in the next class.